Tony, this has to be a mistake. Is it that the network is bad? Or the bank has not updated their server? This is a mistake. Tony, say something now. Say anything. My chest is heavy. I cannot even breathe anymore. Say something.
Franca, I called the bank 5 times. 5 good times.
What did they say?
The account has been flagged by EFCC.
I am finished.
It's a fraud account. As in, it doesn't even exist. They have been scammed. They have been scammed.
Are you serious? Yeah.
That land does not even exist. The so-called agent has vanished. Everything is gone.
God forbid. Everything cannot be gone. God, no. 15 million naira. Babe, that is the only money we have in this world. Our savings, our children's school fees, our rent, everything gone. No. That money was supposed to bring the land that will bet our dream home. How can somebody be this wicked? God.
He sent us fake documents, fake coordinates, fake pictures. I told you to wait. But you refused. I was supposed to go and check everything and do the proper due diligence and inspect it myself.
I was desperate. I was tired. I was tired of feeling useless and poor and not being able to achieve anything in this life. But then he sent us pictures, videos, voice notes, and even testimonials. And then he also told me, that they had only 2 plots.
Exactly. They are just selling fear. They are just selling urgency. That is what they always say. Only 2 plots left. That's the most annoying thing.
No.
That's what they always say. You can't buy land with only WhatsApp videos and pictures. You must do your due diligence. This is what I've been saying.
What have I done to myself? What have I done? All the money that I and my husband has been turning. We have been turning all our lives. Everything gone.
You see that play you just watched? It's not Nollywood. It's not an exaggeration. It's actually somebody's real life what happened.
If you're watching this and you're saying, hi, God forbid, let me tell you, now small, it is starts. One innocent, send me the money and I'll help you check. Boom, you're crying in the group chat.
Yes, one urgent decision, one fake document, and before you know it, you've bought ancestral land that belongs to 7 different spirits and their grandchildren.
And the agent, long gone. Phone off, office locked, Instagram deactivated, and then you're standing in the bush holding fire like one mumu number 5.
That's why we are here. This channel, the Land People TV, it's not just vibes. It's a survival guide, a digital bulletproof vest.
Because in this Naija, if you no shine your eye, them go sell you land inside lagoon.
So we are here to break it down for you, plain and simple. How to know a real agent from a Yahoo agent. How to check survey plans like a land ninja. How to check your coordinates before you say, I don't send money.
We will also talk about money because, let's be honest, land where you don't feel afford, they dey like destiny land. We'll show you how to budget, how to plan, how to save, and how to buy land without losing your marriage or your mind.
Exactly. Because family and finance go hand in hand. You can't be building a house while your marriage is falling like uncompleted structure.
Talk am again. Now why we go yarn about everything? Joint ownership wahala, how to handle land if your partner dey hide documents, and what to do if your uncle is the one trying to scam you.
Spoiler alert, most of them are.
We'll bring you stories, skits, expert advice, sometimes with laughter and sometimes with tears, because the journey is real.
So whether you're a first-time buyer, a family person, or you're just simply tired of hearing allocation soon, this is where you need to be.
So subscribe, like, comment, share with your loved ones, and hit that notification bell so that you won't come back next week and you start saying, I wish I had seen this video before I bought land near Express. Now my kitchen is under high tension wire.
Let's change the story. Let's buy smart. Let's buy safe. Let's build together.
We are the land people. The land
you need.
The people you trust.